Welcome to telaHosting. In this video, I'll show you how to access DirectAdmin. Whether you're using telaHosting or accessing it via a general link, follow these easy steps to log in successfully. DirectAdmin is a web hosting control panel that allows you to manage your website files, domains, emails, databases, security settings, all from one place. Knowing how to log in is the first step to managing your hosting account effectively. So let's get started. First, log into your telaHosting account and on your client area dashboard, navigate to Web Hosting Services, locate DirectAdmin and click Login. Then log into Control Panel. Once the page opens, scroll down and click on Login to DirectAdmin, and your DirectAdmin dashboard automatically comes up after loading. Alternatively, you can log in via a normal link. To do this, open any web browser, type https:// your domain followed by :2222. For example, yourdomain.com:2222. And if your domain is not yet pointed, use https:// your server IP:2222 and type in your username and password. These were provided in your welcome email when you were purchasing your hosting. Then click Login. From here, you can manage your website files, domains and subdomains, email accounts, security and backup, and databases. If you are unable to log in, double check your username and password. If you can't access the login page, make sure your domain is correctly pointed or try using the server IP. This is also provided in your welcome email. And that's how you access your DirectAdmin control panel. If you have any issues, drop them in the comments below or contact telaHosting support for assistance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.